Alrighty, in today's video, we are checking out a backpack from a company called Waterfly. They did send me over their Shaolin backpack. I think it's like a multi-use, I want to say like half travel, half adventure. It seems pretty interesting. I've kind of taken a peek at it, so far the impressions are pretty high. Anyway, let's hop into this video. Let's unbox this and I'll walk through with you what Waterfly have sent me. Alright, let's hop into this unboxing of the backpack. Let's have a look at it. Alright, this looks really nice. Got a nice protective case that comes with it. This looks like a very heavy duty backpack. The material feels very, like, I don't know, it's weird. It's like it feels waterproof, to be honest with you. It feels like a waterproof material. We have some zips all the way around. We have a pocket here, which I assume is like a phone. If you want to put like a key in here, because you can pull stuff out of this. This feels really cool. I don't know what that else you would use that for. Let's hypothetically say you had a phone that could go into this pocket, I guess, right here, which fits, and then you can close it, which is really good. That's even with a thick case on it. This thick case still fits in here, which is really good. There's too many things to check out. I know this opens up. We've got some padding here for your back, and then for your straps, again for your shoulders. We've got another like little pocket on the side here. This pocket's definitely like a waterproof material, so you can get access to like, so I don't know if you put keys in there. I'm not sure. There's too many options here. But what you can do is, which is really cool, this back part actually opens, so you can put documents in that on your back or your laptop, obviously, and you get access from here. Then there's more zips on the inside, which you can like have this to keep it shut. It says here for your laptop in here. I don't know if a 16-inch MacBook Pro would fit into that. That looks a bit, I don't know, it would be good to test that out. I will test that out in the final review. We've also got like places here if you want to like put your clothes. This is really cool. This backpack's like 100 different backpacks in one. This is really cool. All right, let's tie this back up. We're getting ahead of ourselves here. This looks really cool. I can't wait to actually just put this to the test and try it out. So I've got a lot of camera gear now. I don't think this is meant for like I got a specific bag for my camera gear, which is for lenses and my drone and whatnot. This isn't that. This is more of like a everyday bag. Like you just chuck a couple things in here. Chuck your laptop. If you want to chuck a camera, you can probably chuck it somewhere. I don't know where. But it's not meant to be like a full travel camera backpack. So it is a bit different. This clip on top opens up. So as you guys can see, I've unlocked that. This opens up, and then you can get access to the top of the backpack in there as well, which is really, really cool. So what we were just in for the laptop compartment, you can actually get access to through the top as well. But what you can do is you fold this. I did see this. You can fold that, and then that goes straight into this, and then you can tie it down, like tighten it in, and then that isn't coming out. Like no one's going to steal anything from in there because they can't physically get in there without undoing this. Like it's just not possible. Like you just can't get in there. If I tie this up properly, no one can get in there. Like that's not like you can't unravel that. Like they'll be sitting on your back. Like if someone to get into that in front of you, then I'm not sure. You haven't realized. I don't know how they can get into that. I'm not sure. And then one of my favorite features of this bag is this side compartment. So this is separate to your actual laptop one. This is like another side pocket that you can put like a tablet in. But if you have documents, it is perfect to be put into there because these documents are on your bag, on your back. So this is obviously sitting on your back, so no one can really get access to this side of the pocket. Like it's really a good safety bag like that. Again, if you have any like, I don't know, like a jumper or something you want to store under this, you can. Because with this stretchy cable here, this is really cool. I like it. I really do like it. This is really cool, really convenient. And like I said to you, like if you're going like on an everyday, like a camping trip or something like that, this is what you would take. You can store clothes, you can store laptops, different things like that. So really, really cool. I'm going to put this to the test, check it out, and I'll get back to you guys with my final review because I want to put it through its paces and see what this bag has to offer. Then I will let you guys know my final review on it. An everyday carry bag. There's a couple straps here. We're going to go through this whole bag and I'll let you guys know all the details once I check it all out. All right, here are my final thoughts on the Shaolin Waterfly backpack. I've had this for over a month now and I've used it a few times, and overall, very, very, very nice backpack. Can't really say many negative things about it. It's fantastic. when I was using it, there is so many different pockets, which I love. I hate when backpacks have like minimal pockets. This had so many different pockets, and you can put stuff everywhere. Obviously, you can lose things a bit easier, but there are so many different pockets, which means that there is more storage and more accessibility in terms of putting things where you want them. I don't know. I think the more pockets, the better, in other words, especially on the sides. Like, I love these pockets that are where your back is, because your back's against them. No one can really get in there. And these, they're such really good heavy-duty zips. Like these ones for the documents or laptop, whatever you want to put in the back one, fantastic. I just love them. Honestly, love them. I had my 16-inch MacBook Pro in here, which I can confirm does fit. So I was speculating that in the unboxing, I don't know if it was going to fit. It does fit, I can confirm. 16-inch MacBook Pro has no problems in there. I also had my iPad in there. And honestly, and I think I had a portable charger in there as well. And honestly, it felt like there was no weight in here at all. I don't know why. I'm not sure how it works or whatever it is, but I put it on and it literally felt like it had nothing in there. It was really comfortable to wear. Yeah, it was fantastic. These pads on the back are really, really nice. Also love this bungee cord at the front here that you can put things in here to hold as well, especially if you're like traveling. You can put a towel there, you can put your jumper there, jacket folded up, whatever you want. It is fantastic. I wouldn't put any other thing, maybe like, I wouldn't put anything that can probably fit through here and fall out, like a pair of shoes. You might be able to lose them. I don't know. I'm just speculating from what my experiences were. Again, really, really nice deep front pocket here as well, which is fantastic. You can put your water bottle on the side here. There is so many different pockets. And obviously, because it's so customizable, like this phone holder that I showed you in the unboxing, you don't have to leave it there. You can remove it and just have your straps here, which is fantastic. Again, for the straps as well, there is a little clip at the bottom that you can actually remove the straps if you don't want these in specifically. Which is fantastic, because the more customizable a backpack, the better it is. You can suit it for whatever you want. Like I said in the unboxing, this is more of just like a travel hiking backpack, not for camera gear specifically. So if you're looking something for camera gear, this isn't it. It's not meant to be. But for putting iPads in there, putting laptops and traveling around, this will work perfectly fine. Now in the inside area here, guys, you can fit some clothes if you wanted to. So all these clips come off, especially if you're traveling for the day, for a couple of days. You can fit some clothes in here, your laptop in here. As you guys can see, I've actually got a flashlight attached to there, which is fantastic. iPad sits in there. It's got the Velcro strap on the top here to keep it in place. It's just, they've thought of literally everything for a travel-friendly backpack. And what I do love, with the ability to open up this top compartment here, you can actually extend the storage. So with a normal backpack, obviously it is cut off wherever the zips are, like down here example. But with this one, because this folds up, you can literally put things all the way to the top here, which is fantastic. And because the strap is so long, you literally can go around everything that you've put on the top here, and you can still clip it in. So you can literally have an extra 20% capacity, according to the website, to fit in whatever you want from the top. So if you are going to the beach, you want to stuff a couple beach towels in here, and one of them's a bit big, you can literally, you don't have to hold it. You can put it at the top, and the clip and the bag extends, and it holds it all in place. So that is a fantastic idea. I do love that. Like I said, the customizability with this bag is fantastic. If you're in the market for a bag like this, I'm going to leave it linked in the description down below. Thank you to Waterfly for letting me check this out. I really, really do appreciate it. Love this bag. So these are on sale now for $197. They've also, right now, at the time of making this video, a 20% off coupon code with any order for the mid-year 20 code. So check that out right now if you're in the market for it. Waterfly do also offer a bunch of other bags. It's not just this bag. They do a bunch of other bags that you guys will see on the website here from for women and for men, and I guess for both. It's from travel to school, from hiking to camping, anything, training, gym, everyday use. There is a bunch of other bags to check out. So I'm gonna have a look. Maybe there's a camera bag, and if there is, and I can check that out, I'll hopefully bring that to you guys. But if you have enjoyed, smash the thumbs up button. Thank you to Waterfly, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.